Good morning, good evening, and good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to my Guide to Meditation series. So in this video we're going to start off with just a quick introduction to meditation. I don't want to go in too much detail in this video because I'm going to explain these things throughout the series. So, what is meditation? Well, people have different opinions, people have different thoughts about it, but really at the base of it is a self-awareness. It's an awareness of things around you, what's happening, and what you're doing. And this can be done while sitting down, or it can be done throughout the day. Meditation doesn't have to be a thing where you sit down and close your eyes for an hour. It can be a continuous practice that you actually do throughout the day. And of course, you can sit down and meditate for an hour. I do it. It's super beneficial. All I'm trying to say is that you can meditate throughout the day too. And there's tons of different methods of doing it throughout the day. And I really want to go over those throughout the series. So stay tuned for those. So some of the things that meditation allows you to feel is love, joy, a deep sense of peace, and just mental clarity. And it's almost like once you get into a meditative state, you feel all those things. And to get there, you have to use the techniques I'm going to show you and the different methods. And it's almost like when you're actually meditating, that just sitting down in a room or on a chair somewhere, it's when you hit this layer and you're thinking, and then you hit the layer, and then once you drop beneath it, it's like you're in the meditative state and you're calm and you're hardly thinking. You're just being. And that's what a meditative state is. The way I can describe sinking beneath that layer is like if you're at a pool party and it's super loud and you're in the pool and then you just dive in, and then it's super quiet when you're underwater and your mind stops for a second because it's almost a shock how quiet it is, and it's really peaceful, and you can still hear the people talking up there and the noise that they're making. You might even see some ripples on top of the water, but you're so deep in the water that it doesn't really affect you. You're just looking at it, you're being aware of it, and you're listening, and that's what a meditative state feels like. So I hope you stay tuned for the rest of this series, and we can learn together the best ways to reach a meditative state and the best ways to keep it going throughout the day. And really, it's just about getting into that meditative state. And if you can't right away, it's completely normal. But we're going to figure that out throughout the series. Make sure to stay tuned, subscribe, and share this with your friends, because I want to spread this awareness as much as we can and just grow in presence as a species or whatever. So yeah, talk to you guys later.